Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change brake pads on your GMC Canyon. First, gather all your tools, including a jack, lug wrench, and your new brake pads. Next, safely lift your truck and secure it with sturdy jack stands. Finally, remove the wheel to gain clear access to the brake caliper assembly. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. With the wheel off, you can now unbolt the caliper mounting bolts to carefully free the caliper from its bracket. Once the caliper is loose, gently remove the old, worn brake pads. Before installing new pads, you'll need to compress the caliper piston. You can use a C-clamp or a specialized piston compression tool for this step, making sure to do it slowly and evenly. If you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give it a like. On another note, make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized, whether you're on the go or at home. Check the description below for the link to these containers and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. Now it's time to install your new brake pads. Carefully slide them into the caliper bracket, ensuring they fit correctly. Then, reattach the caliper, making sure to tighten all mounting bolts securely to the manufacturer's specifications. Finally, reinstall the wheel, lower your GMC Canyon safely, and pump the brake pedal a few times to seat the new pads before driving.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.